Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is about this look. Yes, I mean this look. So if you have not subscribed, if you have not seen my previous video, I'll be leaving cards in between the video. Kindly click on it, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So I started off with my brows, and I'll be using the Pineapplecosmetics loose powder in the shade Ivory to set my brows. And I use, a little, a lot, a little, a lot, whatever. So I'm using my spilly brush to kind of brush my brow into place. As you can see, my brows are bushy, hence my brows being big. Yes, that's the reason why nowadays my brows are looking a little bit bigger than my previous ones, because my brows are very bushy. So I outline my brow using the Davis number 3 pencil. Using the Davis number 3 pencil. So I'll be filling it in just like so. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below. I don't know, I'm just happy this morning. Kindly subscribe down below, click on the notification bell to get notified. So now I'm using my spoolie brush to brush the product into place as I'm doing. Yeah, so any excess product will be applied at the beginning part of my brow, if that makes sense. So to conceal, I'll be using the Flormar Cosmetics full coverage concealer in the shade dark to conceal. So guys, I'm using that same concealer to conceal the upper part of my brows. Yeah. Yeah, so this is how our brows is sitting pretty. So I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base. Yes, and I'll further blend it out with a big fluffy brush like so. So my eyeshadow palette, I don't even know the name of this palette. I'm using this 2 blue shade. I went in first with the lighter one, I think so. Yeah, or is it, no, this is the deeper one rather. After that I top it up with the other one, so making two blue shade. Yeah, so I wanted to try something new, some shade that I've not used for a while now, and the outcome was superb. And whilst I was filming this video, I don't know if my new subscribers will not know this, I have problem with my eye. So, and I am now going into the lighter shade rather. So as I was saying, I have problem with my eyes. I don't know, in the middle of the video my eyes started, as you can see, it has started turning red, and I couldn't stop because I've already started. So I just went ahead and finished the look for you guys. So let's continue watching. Let's continue watching. I use the brown shade to further diffuse the edge of the blue one, just like you are seeing. Yes, so if you have any question, you can leave it down the description box, down the comment section. Oh, so in the process of blending the brown shade, adding the brown shade, I kind of lose a little bit of the blue, so I went back with the brush, I mean the leftover product on the brush to further add. Yes, so now I went back with the brown shade again. Yes, so blending is the key. You have to blend as if your life depends on it. I'm using the Clone White to cut my crease. To cut my crease. Yeah, so I'm going back with the two blue shade I used earlier on to prevent any demarcation between my eyeshadow base or my first shade and my other shade, if that makes sense. As I was filming this look, as I was planning, the plan I did was to do blue and white eyeshadow look, but later on changed my mind. Yes, so I came out with this shade. It's very pretty, and boom, boom, it was I was in love with the look. Just look at it. Look at it, guys. What do you think about the look? Just look at it. Yeah, as I always say, I'm just lucky with eyeshadows. Yes, the pigment is breathtaking. Yeah, so I kind of felt myself here. A little bit of dance won't kill. Yes. So I'm applying my face with LA Girl Pro what? Is it? I don't know, but it's primer from LA Girl. And I'm adding my Pond's primer on top of it. It's LA Girl and primer, but I'll leave the name down the description box. Do check it out. Yeah, and my foundation was NYX NYX and Fit Me. The Fit Me is in the shade 360, but the NYX I think is chestnut or what, but I'll leave it, as I said, down the description box. So the essence concealer I used to conceal my brow. I used my brow and my concealer brush to further blend that because my beauty blender was not getting in the corners over there. To conceal, to highlight, I'll be using LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and AOA Wonder Cover concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Yes, no, the concealer, the LA Girl is not Fawn, it's rather Espresso, because Espresso was too dark, so I kept it under. Yeah, as I was saying, the Cool Tan was lighter, so I kept the Espresso at the outer corner of my eye, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I think the rest of the video is self-explanatory. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Please do watch till the very end. Yeah, you see how I use the espresso. So I started I started on blending the other shade first. As it is, I'll have noise, so I'll allow you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below and click on notification bell as well. You guys can clearly see how my eye is looking. It was very bad, but I have to continue with the video since I have already started. Yeah, so please guys, just forgive my eye or excuse my eye. And this is one of the reasons always I don't apply, how do you say it, eyeshadow. I mean, I don't smoke out my lower lash area. Yeah, I don't smoke. This is one of the reasons I don't smoke my lower lash area. You see how my eyes are, they are too reddish, guys. Okay guys, this is our final look. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe down below, click on notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for always, my old subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos, always sharing it out. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Yeah, and please once again excuse my eye, until we meet again guys. Bye.